Hi there everybody, it's Jo here and I hope that wherever you are that you're safe and well. In this week's video I want to talk about friendship and how to make new friends. If you're new to this channel then welcome. I hope that you'll find a video here for you. There's over 30 now and it's just a channel and a chance where you can find support, motivation and just somebody that cares and wants to help you with your mental health and how to stay emotionally well. With friendships, they're quite tricky sometimes because it's quite easy to stay friends, certainly with those that we know. So if you're somebody that started a new school, it's quite easy to stay friends with just the friends that we've got. But it's not just about those people that are new to a school, it's also about people that are, because of the bubble situation at the moment with year groups, that you may be somebody watching this that's got friends that might be in a different year group, therefore you may not be able to see them at break or lunchtime. And if that is you, then it never hurts to be that kid at school that was kind to everybody. It wouldn't hurt. So here are some steps for me that I believe are helpful in a sense of just getting yourself out there and making new friends. One of my steps would be sociable. Be sociable, get out there. And to do that, sometimes you might need to join a lunchtime or an after school club. Sometimes you might have to just get yourself out there. And to do that is that you need to be open to making friends with anybody. Don't judge people. Just be open and be that potential friend to anybody. My second one is about the importance of being approachable. And to be approachable means that don't always be on your phone, and to almost make sure that people realise that if they come to you that they're not going to be ignored. And that might be with open body language, that might be with a smile. It's just making sure that they realise that if they come to you that they're not going to be ignored. Another point is people feel as if they need to be a really interesting person to make friends. The matter of the fact is that actually all you need to be, if you want to be that interesting person, is to just be interested. If you want to come across as that interesting person, you simply just need to be interested. It's not rocket science. It's just a sense where you are prepared to listen to them and find out about what they like, what makes them happy, what are their hobbies, how many siblings do they have, what's their favourite subject, what do they like doing when they're not at school. Another one would be to be a good listener. It's such a good quality in any friendship. In any friendship is to be a good listener. And I think sometimes we underestimate the power of listening. You've just given me an idea of another video actually. So be a good listener. And my final one would be just be you. Just be you, because when you sit down at the table, you might be sitting next to somebody that could be a future best friend. If you're at the canteen and you've gone and sat next to somebody that you don't know, again, they could be a future best friend. And even if you don't click, at least you're that kind person that's helped make somebody's day by saying hi. And being you is the most important thing, because it's so important to have friends, but it's really important that you stay and you carry on always being you. And sometimes to make new friends, it's quite handy if you, with the friends that you may already have in your year group, in your class, is to make friends with them, because you've already got something in common with having that friend already. And just be brave in making friends. Some people really, really struggle with making friendships, and that's really hard because all they really want is more friends. So if you can make somebody's day, then just say hi and just see where it goes from there. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there. Look after yourselves. I hope that getting into that routine with school is just starting to get a bit easier. Just look after yourselves, and I look forward to doing a video next week. See you later, everybody. Bye.